How to trim sound or song on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's just jump right into the video. First of all, open up your TikTok. And once you open up your TikTok application, the very first thing you're gonna have to do is find the song that you want to trim or that you want to use to post to. So let's just go ahead and use a random song. So what I'm going to do is tap on this plus icon down below to open my camera. From here, you can choose the song that you want on your video. Tap on add sound. Now from here, you can choose different kind of sounds that you want to add on your video. So let's just go ahead and add this random sound. Alright, so here is the sound, and if you want to trim it, you use the scissors icon to trim the video or trim the part of the song. Just listen to the song and select which part of the song you want on the video. So let's say if I just want this part, I'm just going to choose this part right here and then tap on done. 15 seconds is selected. If you want more, you could go back first and then choose the time amount and make it bigger. So let's just choose 60 seconds for now, and the song will be selected. Now you can start recording or choose any photo or video you want, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.